It's an absolutely gorgeous A1 1.4 TFSI Turbo S-Line. S-Line NAV, so SATNAV is standard. With anthracite grey wheels to match the roof. As you can see, it's all in pristine condition. Nice specification inside. Auto lights and wipers, cruise control. Just 350 miles on the clock. And a pop-up MMI system. Black gloss interior accents with the aluminium trim to go with it. Part leather S-Line embossed seats. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Rear parking sensors. And being a 1.4 turbo, it is quick. It's a rapid car in such a small little body. There we go, Phone Guaranteed Motors.